Surefit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts. What is up, you guys? Let's hop straight into this video. I am using a Serendipity kit. This was gifted to me by my sister, who I love so much, and so I just really wanted to try this kit out to see, like if it was good or not. I already had some fake nails on. If you want to know more about these nails, I have a video and I'll link it up here. But if not, go ahead and glue yourself on some fake nails, or you can use your actual real nails. But since these are the nails I had on, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna overlay them because I already liked pretty much the shape of how they were. And so what you saw me doing was literally filing and buffing the nails away, which is what you'll have to do to your own nails. And you could see the difference between the gritty and the shiny hand. I didn't want the hands to be shiny at all, and the kit actually tells you to file your nails and don't have them to be too shiny. So I just took a little cotton swab pad and had some water on it and went ahead and cleaned my nails. So I decided that I'm going to use the sparkles and the white. The pack did also come with the pink, but the design I wanted to do, I definitely wanted to have the sparkles. I wanted to have that accent nail, and I wanted it on the ring fingers. So that's what you see me doing. I took the bonding glue, I put it on that finger, and literally dipped it into this powder. You want to do like a scooping motion and not just lay it flat. The scooping motion helps it get all around your nail. So make sure when you put the bonding glue on, you cover your entire nail. Try not to get it on your skin. You see, that's just the very first coat, and if you had white nails or clear nails, it will pop a little bit better. But since mine are yellow, it kind of took away a little bit. But this is just the first round, so I am going to go ahead and do the exact same thing to my other fingers. This one I'm doing it in white. And eventually at the end, my nails are going to be completely covered. Again, you do not have to use colored nails. I'm just doing this because it's the nails I already had on my finger. But yes, put on the bonding glue, dip your finger in, and I took a makeup brush that I never use, and I just took off the excess powder. And I wanted to make sure I put the powder back inside because, girl, this stuff is so amazing that I didn't want to waste any. So this is my second round. The Serendipity instructions say to use 3 rounds, and I think that will be amazing. I think that will work great. The instructions also say to do one hand first, so that is exactly what I'm doing. And make sure once you've gotten all of the white on your nails and you have everything the way that you want it to look, just make sure you add the instant activating to your nails and let them dry a little bit. Go ahead and wash your hands, and then take your file and shape your nails to how you want. For some reason I couldn't get this all the way on camera. I was literally going ham trying to get my nails right and shape them. This is the longest and toughest part, to be honest. The rest is very easy. Adding the bonding glue, dipping your finger, that part is simple. Now shaping them exactly the way you want them, whether you want them thick, whether you want them more flat, that is where all this comes into play. And for me, this was my first time doing them, and I just did it as best I could, to be honest. Once you finish shaping them the way that you want to, add some more bonding glue over the top. Is going to give you a nice little clear coat. Again, try not to get the glue on other parts of your fingers, because if you do, you will have that Serendipity powder on other parts of your finger besides just your nail. But mistakes do happen, so I'm sure like if you wash your hands in a couple days, it'll come off just like any other nail polish. I love this product, and I would definitely recommend. You can get a hell of a lot of uses out of it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment it down below. This is how the finished product came out. My nails look amazing, and I got it for a really cheap price. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, you guys, peace. Surefit Johnson, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts.